Welcome to this in-depth review of the Manipal School of Architecture and Planning, commonly known as MSAP. Founded in 1978, MSAP is part of the Manipal Academy of Higher Education. It has earned a recognition from the Council of Architecture and holds a student rating of 3.9 out of 5 on Shiksha.com. Let's delve into what it offers. Starting off with placements, where MSAP is renowned for its flagship 5-year Bachelors of Architecture program, which has received a placement rating of 3.1 out of 5. In addition to BArch, MSAP offers design courses including Bachelors of Design and Bachelor of Science in Fashion Design. MSAP boasts of a strong placement rate of 85.6%. The median salary for graduates has shown a positive trend over the years, increasing from 2.4 lakh per annum in 2016-17 to 3.6 lakh per annum in 2018-19, marking a significant 16.66% year-on-year increase. When compared to the neighbouring BMS College of Architecture, Karnataka, which offers a median salary of 3.12 lakh per annum, MSAP leads comparatively. As per students' inputs, the internship and placement cell facilitates a comprehensive 12-month internship during the 5th year, offering placements in over 250 to 300 renowned design firms with professionals both domestically and internationally. Some of the notable firms include Space Matrix, Alex Jacob Architects, Larsen & Toubro Construction, Architecture Paradigm, Studio Mumbai, Sanjay Puri Architects, and Studio Lotus. Students get placed as junior architects post-course completion and have gone on to work with BV Doshi and Hafiz Contractors. Important to note here is that the placement process has undergone a lot of improvement from the past couple of years, as it can be observed in the difference in the input shared by students passing out 3 years ago and those passing out this year. To qualify for the BArch program, students need to clear 10+2 in physics, chemistry, mathematics and English, achieving 50% in PCM and overall. All applicants must also take NATA, and admission is based on a merit list combining 50% PCM marks and 50% NATA score. Now let's talk about the fees, where the total cost of the BArch program is around 30.7 lakhs, including an optional hostel fees of 8.75 lakhs. Given a median salary of 3.6 lakh per annum, the college ROI has a lot of scope for improvement. Incidentally, if we compare the cost of the program at Manipal School of Architecture with, say, BMS College of Architecture, the latter has a higher total fees of 42.5 lakhs for 4 years and a lower ROI. Moving on to infrastructure, where MSAP has rated 4.1 out of 5 on Shiksha.com. The campus offers well-equipped labs dedicated to various architectural practices. It has a computer lab with state-of-the-art facilities, virtual reality lab, model making lab with laser cutting machine and 3D printer, climatology lab with computerized weather stations, building materials museum with wide collection of construction material. Additionally, there is a documentation center, exhibition hall, and a dedicated department library. The hostels are spacious and well maintained, providing all necessary amenities. But according to students, classrooms lack air conditioning except for CAD labs. The campus also houses the Marina Indoor Stadium, one of the largest and best equipped sports centers in the country, aimed at ensuring that the 6 long months of monsoon do not disrupt the fitness regime of students and staff. The 3.9-acre MSAP campus is built on contoured land with a vision to create interwoven and fluid spaces. The campus is planned for 1,200 students from the fields of architecture, design and fashion. Located in the coastal town of Manipal in Karnataka, it stands out with its beautifully designed spaces. Going ahead with the faculty and course rating of 4 out of 5, and the faculty at MSAP are highly qualified, most of them at IIT graduates or graduates from similarly reputed institutions, while many hold PhDs. Industry visits, factory visits, lectures and seminars are organized regularly. Finally, let's discuss the campus life, which is vibrant and engaging, rated an impressive 4.9 out of 5. MSAP hosts 2 major fests every year: Opus, which features architecture workshops and competitions, and Utsav, the university-wide fest with various institutions competing in numerous showcases. Additionally, sports competitions and student exchange programs enrich the campus life. Wrapping up the review with the rankings, where MSAP is ranked 25th in the country in the NIR of 2023 ranking, down from the 15th in 2022. For more details on MSAP and to explore thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so to drop in a comment below, and do not forget to like and share this video.